Hey everyone, I just want to share a quick update for you. The team at Affinity, which had been acquired by Canva, just launched a brand new version of the app. Instead of having three separate apps, Affinity Designer, Affinity Photo, and Affinity Publisher, everything is now combined into one unified app called Affinity with a single file format .af. You can download the app right now from its website, affinity.studio. The biggest news is the app is now completely free to use. The team said it's free forever. You'll need to create a Canva account and sign in to download and use the app. There are Mac and Windows version available now. The iPad version is coming later. I've been testing the app and so far I'm impressed. It offers everything we need in professional design. You can see three working modes that replace the previous three apps: Vector, Pixel, and Layout. There's Canva AI, which is a paid feature in the app. However, if you don't need it, then you're good to go. If you need the feature, the subscription fee is affordable. I'll leave the download link in the description if you want to try it out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and thanks for watching.